Today we're showing you the 2020 John Deere 5065E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere 520M quick attach front loader. The tractor has just under 300 hours on it. It's a very nice clean tractor, rated at 67 horsepower. Engine will regen but does not require DEF. And again, it does come with the 520M loader. Has the global style hookup here for your bucket quick attach. Tires are in good shape. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. It does have the foldable rollover bar with the canopy top. Single rear hydraulic back here. Complete 3-point with your drawbar, top link, and stabilizer bars. Also does have the extendable 3-point arms. Really helps when you're hooking attachments. Rear work light back here. It's a nice clean tractor. The cylinder here on the top of the loader has been repaired. You can see where this piece looks like it was broken off and somebody repaired that. Looks like both ears were broken there and they did re-weld that. Just want to make you aware of that. Works as it should. No issues with that, but just want to make you aware of that the way it looks. Does have the 12-speed power reverser transmission. And it does have some factory warranty, which looks like it runs into August of 2025. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.